Hey guys, I'm Hamish, Wild Earth Australia Ambassador, and today I want to talk to you about the Steripen Classic 3 UV Purifier. So I've been using this one for the last couple months in Nepal, and I've really liked it, and I'm just going to let you know sort of how it works and how I found it. So the first thing I sort of noticed with the Steripen is obviously it's pretty small, very easy to carry. That's why I wanted it for traveling. Like the alternative to something like this is like tablets, like water purification tablets, or like filter press bottles. But I think this one's like pretty easy and small, and that's what I sort of liked about it. It only weighs 178 grams, and you can put rechargeable batteries in, or you can just put like 4 AA batteries, so pretty easy. Yeah, little carry bag, bang. In terms of using this one, very easy. So it treats either a litre or 500 mils of water, and it's just as easy as lighting up. So double press for a litre, one press for 500 mil. And then it lights up the UV stick. So yeah, 60 seconds for 500 mils, 90 seconds for a litre. And yeah, you just stare it. So if I want to show you like a little go, so say I wanted to do a litre, it's just bang bang, double press, you get the green lights. And then as you start stirring, now you can see the, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's lit up now. And once it stops being lit up, so you can't see the UV anymore, that's when it's done, and you'll get a green light or a red light if it fails. So you'll get a red light if you haven't kept it in the water or haven't kept stirring it properly, and it doesn't think it's done, so you have to do it again. But yeah, it's that easy. So stirring it for a minute 30. Yeah, you just keep that motion going, it's pretty easy. And then like you'll see this light here come off in a second when it's done. Just hold on. So yeah, there you go, green light's double flashing, so that means it's all good. It's all good to go. Yeah. So this one is 99.9% effective against bacteria, protozoa, cysts, and viruses. So if you've got like water that's super, like you can notice little like bits of dirt and stuff like that, and it also comes with a filter. You can pre-filter the water, and then this will kill everything else in it. Yeah. Yeah, the reason I got this for like traveling to Nepal specifically, it's obviously good for like treating water anywhere, but what this does is rather than just take out all the particles and things like that, this is killing viruses, all that sort of thing, any nasty bugs in there. This is zapping them away. So yeah, it's perfect travel one for going to countries where you're not too sure on what's in the water, which is why I really liked it. These ones have also got like a really good lifespan, so 8,000 activations, so that's how many times you can treat water, which is yeah, really good actually.